Nature's Path Trail is the official sponsor and the official snack for the 2014 Mountain Biking Slopestyle X Games. Trail mix is high in fiber and is recommended for 32% of your daily intake. This includes 4 grams of protein per serving. Nutritious, gluten-free, with no added sweeteners. Made from 100% natural and organic ingredients. All these ingredients are grown locally in Canada. It gives you all the energy that you need to get through your day, stimulating both your mind and your body. Trail mix comes in 5 different flavors, such as Pumpkin Flax Plus, Dark Chocolate, Red Berries, Coconut Chia Granola, and Crunchy Maple. Take trail mix with you and eat it on the go.